Hello everyone. From previous lectures, we already know what is a matrix, what we mean by rows, columns, order of a matrix, and the position of an element in a matrix. In this lecture, we will discuss how to construct a matrix when elements or a rule related to the elements is given. For construction of a matrix, remember these steps. First, check the order of a matrix. Second, write number of rows, number of columns, and total number of elements. Third, construct a matrix in general form. That is a matrix with general elements A11, A12, and so on. Fourth, calculate actual values of general elements according to the given rule. Fifth, to get required matrix, substitute all calculated values in general matrix at proper place. Now, we will discuss some questions to clear this process. First question. Construct a matrix of order 2 by 3 with given elements. In this question, the order of matrix A is 2 by 3. That is, we have a matrix which has 2 rows, 3 columns, and total number of elements are 6. And these 6 elements are given to us, which are. Now, first we will draw matrix A in general form. And the general form of matrix A is. Now, we will write given elements according to their positions to get the required matrix. Next question. In this question, we have to construct a matrix of order 3 by 2. So here we have 3 rows, 2 columns, and total number of elements are 6. Here the elements are not given to us, but instead of elements we have a rule from which we can easily calculate the elements of the matrix. Now first we will draw a matrix A of order 3 by 2 in general form, and general form of matrix A is. Now we will calculate the elements of the matrix according to the given rule. In A11, I is equal to 1 and j is equal to 1. So put the values of Aij. In Aij we get A11 is equal to 0. In A12, I is equal to 1 and j is equal to 2. Put I is equal to 1 and j is equal to 2. In Aij we get A12 is equal to 1. In A21, I is 2, j is equal to 1. Put I is equal to 2 and j is equal to 1. In Aij, we get A21 is equal to 1. Similarly, we will get remaining elements. Now, we have to write these elements according to their positions in the matrix A to get the required matrix, and required matrix is. I hope this lecture was helpful to you. If you have any problem, any question or any suggestion, please write in comment box.